nice. We're gonna go through all the mods and stuff on here too. This bad boy sound nice. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another T-Dirt GT video. Your boy Tamaine here, bringing y'all back a vlog. It is gonna be my second or third video within 2 weeks. Pretty impressive. That's more videos than I filmed in a whole goddamn year last year when I started filming. I was filming that new Edge Mustang over there. I thought he was leaving, but I think he's coming back.
Yeah, he is.
Bro, those windows it's got some unique tint on there, but it would be a good conversation to have if this guy comes back and see what's to it. If y'all don't remember, I had a 1999 new Edge Mustang previously. I don't know this guy at all. He just came around and see me filming, but these goddamn windows, bro, you can't see shit. Bro. I wonder what type of tint is on there. It's clean too, slammed. How you doing?
Is this your 5-0?
Yeah, it's my 5-0. What's your name, bro? Ryan. Ryan?
Yeah.
Tamaine. So you see me filming, you like, hold on, what is
yeah, park up.
Park up? Yeah, bro, that thing is clean. It's slammed over there. What you got done to it?
It's tuned on 93 on coils, wheels, tires.
On coils? What kind of coilovers you got on there?
Rep 9.
Okay. Fuck it, let's you might be on the camera, but I'm over YouTube.
Oh, you on YouTube? Yeah, what's your YouTube?
T-Dirt GT.
I'm sorry?
T-Dirt GT.
I'll look you up. Wheels, tires, coils, big brakes, exhaust.
Upgraded brakes. You still got mufflers on there?
I have a Flowmaster Super 40 on it.
Flowmaster Super 40s on there? Okay, because you said it's got the exhaust, but it's not too loud, but it's got a little bit of tone to it. Yeah, what tint is that? Because I never... Omni tint?
It's cool and it kind of looks like shit I got in the
Oh, when you get up close to it, yeah, I can see what you're talking about. But from a distance, I mean, you can't see nothing.
It's good as fuck.
Yeah, you guys can see here. It looks cool as hell though. It's really unique. Is it V6? Oh, it's a V6? Hey, that's why I thought if you had that exhaust on there, it would have gave it a much deeper tone. But hell yeah, it looks really good. Hey, you got a really long exhaust tip on the back of this bad boy.
It's a stance car. You gotta put the fucking blast pipes on it.
Yeah, for real, for real. You got another hood on there? Is that another hood that you put on the?
So that's it's weird. So Ford did the 1999 and the 2000 Cobra.
Yep.
Has the same hood as the 03, 04 V6. So there's an 03 V6.
Okay.
With the factory hood, but it's the same hood as the Cobra. 18 by 9.5. With the Toyo Extenza 245 30 RAC. Okay. This is my favorite year Mustang right here.
Your favorite year? I had a 1999 new Edge Mustang.
Yeah.
About 3.5 years ago.
Oh, nice.
It was red.
Yeah.
I loved it. I loved it.
S197.
New Edges and S197s, man, are definitely all day, man. So eventually, hey, you might switch on over to this one. You might get both. Yeah.
I kind of want a Beamer though.
A Beamer? Oh snap! You're gonna be like him and switch the whole nother car. Get you up on out of here, Ryan, right?
Yep.
Ryan. All right. Nice to meet you, man. Take care. It's a V6. It's not loud at all, but it looks nice. It looks nice, really nice. As you can see right behind me, man, we got Blue Dini 2.0 in the cut. In today's video, we're actually not gonna talk about Blue Dini 2.0, Lopez 5.0, or S4, and then we got our other buddies Brian and Dylan out here. Whose car is this?
It's my car, sir.
Where's the Mustang?
She's sadly gone since December.
Since December.
Since December, yup.
This guy, guys, then sold the Mustang since December of what?
2022.
Since December of 2022. So obviously I have not been filming in a hot ass minute, and this guy has not been filming in a hot ass minute. Omar hasn't been filming in a hot ass minute either, and he done upgraded to a goddamn Audi. He left the Mustang game. So tell us about your decision of why you chose to go with Audi, bro. Like
with Audi, man.
Audi. Why didn't you go with? Why didn't you? Come on now, like you left.
Why didn't I stay with the Mustang game?
Yeah. Why didn't you stay with the fucking Mustang?
Well, the only reason that I didn't want to stick with the Mustang is because, man, I couldn't do it rear wheel drive no more. I couldn't do stick shift. I mean, I could have gotten a 10-speed. I mean, that was one of my ideas, a 10-speed. But I didn't want to deal with the rear wheel drive. I'm tired of the loud noises. Even though I love.
You're tired of the loud noises.
Yeah, that car was loud.
Oh, cops are about to kick us out.
They closed?
Yeah.
Oh, they closed?
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Wait, hold on. We're gonna finish the. Sleeping. Hold on, we gotta finish the video. All right, we gotta finish this video somewhere else. Maybe if he busts a U-turn, I'm not sure. We could probably finish the video honestly when he makes his rounds. Yeah, when he makes his rounds. So you said the car was too loud.
Yeah.
What you mean your car sounded good as hell?
It sounded amazing.
I think you sound like a little
get me
bitch
wrong.
right now.
Don't get me wrong, it sounded amazing. I love the way it sounded. It was like one of a kind Mustang. Like no Mustang sounded like that. But,
step right
but it's like, I don't know. I just got tired of having a really extremely loud car.
Not only that, you upgraded to a damn Audi, but it is automatic.
Automatic beats.
That's a big decision there. So you're racing now?
Oh yeah, for sure, man. I've been racing this car barely, just recently, because I just did the only thing that's done to my car, guys, is my intake and an X pipe, and it's tuned on E85. So those 3 mods open this car up a lot, and especially all-wheel drive. We only do digs on this car. It takes off like a monster. It takes off like a monster.
What else made you decide to go on over to an Audi?
In the interior? Yeah.
Guys, I would say the interior would influence me to upgrade to another Mustang, newer Mustang also. When I had my 1999 New Edge Mustang, I would have kept that Mustang because I love the body style, but the interior is just complete plastic and it's trash. I wanted something a little bit better. And you're talking about the interior, you just want to show us, you want to open the door just for a little bit. Obviously, as you guys know, the premium of this car has leather seats. I'll show you guys a little bit also, but if we open up Audi here, he's got red seats here. What you want to turn on some lights? Red seats, red interior. Man, you feel like you're in a goddamn motherfucking
spaceship in that motherfucker.
Spaceship up in there.
We got a digital dash. We got like a pretty big screen right here, touch screen, and we got, look at all the carbon fiber we got here.
Carbon fiber everywhere. I know y'all, it's dark outside. We basically the sun and
all the carbon fiber right here, over there. Alcantara suede right here.
Yep.
The red stitch.
All right, y'all. He's trying to influence y'all to buy an Audi, but fuck that. I think is that cop coming? No, the cop's not coming back.
Yeah, just the interior too that got to me, because I mean the Mustang that I had, the gray one, the interior was just, you know, basic. But I still liked it because the Recaro seats, you couldn't go wrong with the Recaro seats, you know?
The Recaro seats really comfy. I mean, the car shifted smooth. It sounded good.
It sounded real good.
It looked good.
I mean, the new owner is really happy. I still have in contact with him. I have him on social media. We added each other, and he be posting the car. He's making it look nice.
Yep.
So, I mean, it went to a good owner, I guess I could say.
You think you would ever get another S197 Mustang?
If I did, I would have to buy it off of him again. Maybe one day.
You wanted me to get a 10-speed.
Yeah. You just asked me if I would get an S197 again.
I said S197. That's an S550.
No, I'm saying I know. I said if I were to get another S197, it would be my old Mustang back. I wouldn't buy like a different one. You know what I mean?
Okay. But you were really pushing me to get a goddamn 10-speed though.
Yeah, but the thing is, you wanted to stick with the Mustang. So if you want to stick with the Mustang, the 10-speed is the way to go. Digital dash too, nice screen.
Yeah, but y'all, we gotta shift gears,
different.
man. I like to bang gears. It's fun. Like,
I give them props for that.
Not only that though, I'm not too big into racing. You know, I'm more of cosmetically building my car. But with this car, I will explain the plans that we're gonna do with this car. But driving stick shift, it's just very fulfilling with the Mustang, man. You just gotta bang gears and just have some fun with the car. You know, going automatic, it's like, I don't know, you just want to go fast, so you just press the gas. But
hell yeah, don't have to.
I mean, that's good, and you know, if you're racing, you got that advantage there. But you know, there's nothing wrong with going stick shift either and enjoying driving stick shift. Y'all, it's real dark out here. If I could show y'all how dark it is actually out here, I bump this ISO down. This is how dark it is out here. About right there, that's how dark it is. But since I got a badass camera, I can adjust my ISO, which is the brightness of my camera, up so I can see this ugly motherfucker in the nighttime. I do have a lot of videos coming. I got a Boss 302 install coming for the car. I'm showing you guys how to do the tunes with the Engage and tune with Lund, and my SCT, how to unlock your SCT tuner, how to unlock your Engage, how to return the car to stock, all that. Those videos are coming very soon. But in today's video, man, we haven't seen this guy in a long time, and we just wanted to feature him on the channel. And the guy's back here because he's about to upload a video too, so make sure you go check out Lopez
S4. Well, it's 5.0 still. I'm not gonna change to S4 yet, just yet. Soon.
Look at this guy. They're fucking lacking, dog. Lacking.
Quick question though.
Lopez S4. Bluedini 2.0. Oh, also guys, let me show y'all. I'm gonna just show y'all a little sneak peek. You seen it on the back? You seen what I had on the back? No. You seen what I had on the back? Boom! We got some Bluedini custom plates. I'm gonna put 2.0. I'm gonna put 2.0 on the back, y'all. But unfortunately, when I totaled Bluedini, I had these plates. They came in, but I never got a chance to put them on. So we're gonna relive Bluedini, and this is also my decision of getting another blue Mustang because I had these plates. But badass, man, badass. Rip
If I had
Houdini.
a tequila bottle, I'll pour one up for Houdini right now.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Good seeing this guy. Hopefully we'll make some more videos soon. Hopefully he'll start making some more videos. We'll do some racing stuff and all
I'm gonna
that.
stay consistent. I swear I'm gonna stay consistent. I got you.
He said he swears he's gonna stay consistent.
Got big things coming.
Big things coming. Big things coming out here. I plan on doing some collab videos with a whole bunch of other Mustang buddies as well to get back in the groove of things. But other than that, y'all, we're gonna catch y'all next time on TWGT. Make sure y'all check out Omar's Lopez video. We got the guys right here. We gone. We made it in time before he came back. We made it in time.